Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss most important word list of the Hindu editorial from the date of 16th February 2022. First, reluctant. R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T. Reluctant means feeling or showing doubts about doing something or not willing or eager to do some things. In that sense we use reluctant. R-E-L-U-C-T-A-N-T. Reluctant. Okay. Reluctant means feeling or showing doubt about doing some things or not willing or eager to do something. And the synonyms of reluctance are disinclined, dubious, hesitant, indisposed. These are the synonyms of reluctant, and the antonyms of reluctance are disposed, inclined. Next, reiterate. R-E-I-T-E-R-A-T. Reiterate means say something again or a number of times, typically for clarity. Reiterate. R-E-I-T-E-R-A-T. Reiterate means say some things again or a number of times, typically for clarity. And the synonyms of reiterate are repeat, restate, retell, recapitulate, rehearse. These are the synonyms of reiterate. Next, conventions. C-O-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Conventions means a way in which something is usually done. Okay, and the synonyms of conventions are usage, way, norm, rules, protocol. These are the synonyms of conventions. C-O-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Conventions. Next, polemic. P-O-L-E-M-I-C. Polemic. Polemic means a strong verbal or written attack on someone or something. And the synonyms of polemics are critical, hostile, bitter, polemic, virulent. These are the synonyms of polemic. P-O-L-E-M-I-C. Polemic. Next, arbiter. A-R-B-I-T-E-R. Arbiter. Arbiter means a person who settles a dispute or has ultimate authorities in a matters. And the synonyms of arbiter is arbitrator, judge, umpire, referee, mediator. These are the synonyms of arbiter. A-R-B-I-T-E-R. Arbiters. Next, mobilize. Mobilize means bring together for a specific cause. There is some resources and we bring together them for a specific cause. In that sense we use mobilize. M-O-B-I-L-I-S-E. Mobilize. And the synonyms of mobilize are summons, assembles, mass, organize, prepare. These are the synonyms of mobilize. Berate. B-E-R-A-T-E. Berate. Berate means scold or criticize someone angrily. Okay, B-E-R-A-T-E. Berate means scold or criticize someone angrily. In that sense we use berate. B-E-R-A-T-E. Berate. And the synonyms of berates are admonish, A-D-M-O-N-I-S-H. Admonish, castigate, reproach, rebuke. These are the synonyms of berate. And the antonyms of berate is praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Praise. Next, apparently. A-P-P-A-R-E-N-T-L-Y. Apparently. Apparently means as far as one knows or can see. Okay, in that sense we use apparently. A-P-P-A-R-E-N-T-L-Y. Apparently. And the synonyms of apparently are seemingly or evidently. Reapparent means as far as one knows or can see. ओके, प्रत्यक्ष स्पष्ट रूप से जानना एक चीज़ के बारे में और उसके बारे में स्पष्ट रूप से नॉलेज होना, उसी के सेंस में एफरेंटली को यूज किया जाता है. APPARENTLY. एफरेंटली. एज फार एज वन नोज और कैन सी. In that sense. Okay, and the synonyms of apparently are seemingly or evidently. Next, encroachment. E-N-C-R-O-A-C-H-M-E-N-T. Encroachment. E-N-C-R-O-A-C-H-M-E-N-T. Encroachment means intrusions on a person's territory or rights, etc. Okay, encroachment means अतिक्रमण करना. अतिक्रमण करना, उसी सेंस में एनक्रोचमेंट को यूज किया जाता है. ENCROACHMENT. एनक्रोचमेंट्स मीन्स इंट्रूजन्स ऑन ए पर्सन्स टेरिटोरीज और राइट्स. सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एनक्रोचमेंट्स आर ट्रेसपास, इन्वेजन्स, इन्फिल्ट्रेशंस. Next, acquiescence. 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 Acquiescence means the reluctant acceptance of something without protest. Okay, acquiescence means the reluctant acceptance of some things without protest. In that sense, we use acquiescence और मौन स्वीकृति और मौन सम्मति, चुपचाप से सम्मति दे देना, इसी के सेंस में एक्वेशंस. ACQUIESCENCE. एक्वेशंस. एक्वेशंस मीन्स द रिलुक्टेंट एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ समथिंग विदाउट प्रोटेस्ट. एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एक्वेशंस आर consent, agreements, acceptance, approvals. These are the synonyms of acquiescence. 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 Okay, thank you.